Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking quick braised fish with shiitake mushrooms and celery. So let's start cooking. In collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio, we are launching an incredible cooking course featuring our loved recipes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight course. Sign up with the link below or scan this QR code. See you there! Now we're going to do a simple seasoning on our fish. I have with me over here 200 grams of boneless grouper fillet. You can always use sea bream, sea bass, codfish, halibut, no problem at all. Slice them thinly like this. Add in 1 tablespoon of water. Half a tablespoon of young ginger juice derived from grated ginger and squeezing out the juice. Half a teaspoon of salt. A few dashes of pepper. Gently mix them up well first. Once you mix them up well together, you add in half a tablespoon of corn flour. This to protect the protein. Gently mix them up again. Once you mix them up well, you add in a tablespoon of oil. Cooking oil will be fine. We added the oil in is because later it will be easier to separate them up. Once you're done with this, I'll show you how I put the dish together. I'll see you back in a while. Now we'll put our dish together using medium heat. Heat up a clay pot. If you do not have a clay pot, you can always use a pan or a wok. Add in a suitable amount of oil. We don't have to wait for the clay pot to get hot. We add in 1 thumb size of ginger, cut into small cubes like this. Put them all in. 4 pieces of shallots, quartered. Put them in. Mix them around. Fry them until a little bit fragrant. This will take a minute or so because clay pot retains heat very well. But of course, move the shallots, the ginger around. We don't want to burn them. Once you can start to smell the beautiful fragrance from the shallots and ginger, we'll add in our mushrooms. I'm adding 8 pieces of fresh shiitake mushroom cut into halves like this. Put them all in. Add in also 4 cloves of garlic. Now, the reason why I did not add in the garlic earlier is because garlic burns much faster than shallots and ginger, so I'm adding in them later. Add in a pinch of salt and move them around. Just mix them up. We want the mushroom to absorb the beautiful flavor from the shallots as well as the ginger. Now if the clay pot is a little bit dry, add a little bit more oil. Once you have mixed them up well, we add in water. Add in 200 milliliters of water. Add in half a tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce. Add in about half a teaspoon of dark soy sauce because we want that beautiful dark hue. Once the stock is boiling, we'll add in our fish. Gently add them in. You can place them skin side up or skin side down, it's really up to you. Try to spread them out and try not to stack them too much on top of each other. Once this is done, we'll add in our celery, 120 grams of celery. Before you cut it up, make sure that all these grooves, including the corner itself, use a peeler to peel off the fibrous part. Alright, just add them on top. Now of course, if you want your celery to be crunchier, you can add them later. Now we'll put the lid on and let them cook for about 3 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. 3 minutes is up already, but before we open this up, let's pour half a tablespoon of Shaoxing wine around the lid over here to increase the fragrance of the dish. We'll let this cook for another 1 minute before we remove the cover. I'll see you back in a while. A total of 4 minutes is up. Let's have a look. Oh, smells absolutely delicious. Right, look at how pretty this is. Beautiful. Now all we have to do is just turn off the flame and it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, smells really good. I love the fragrance from the shallots, from the ginger. Let's try the fish. Oh, tender, very, very flavorful with a slight hint of ginger. This is good. Mushroom. Oh. The mushroom has really absorbed the taste beautifully. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and now it's time to cook. See you. Bye bye. Wow, nice. Oh, good.